Haley, Chris, thank you for joining us today. So we've been speaking earlier on about DeeperThanBlue Analytics and some of the exciting events you're running and some of the things you've got coming up this year. Can you talk a bit further about them?
Yeah, of course. We've set up an event on the analytics side of the business, so that is called the Business Analytics Forum, or #BAF for our social media channels. It's a great event we've put together so people can network and meet like-minded people and really get hands-on with the solutions available.
And why did you set the event up?
Yeah, of course. We set the event up to talk about a few main topics, one of them being the increasing prevalence of data, second one to look at the constant change in technology, and the third one is a need for different industry sectors to look at the insights available to them.
So, people are at various stages of their analytics progression, and we're finding people at different stages of that journey, from just starting out right through to more sophisticated, being able to try and predict the future. And what this is about is to help people share their experiences. So it's about them being able to network and educate themselves by talking to each other as much as anything else.
So the attendees that come to your event get the opportunity to meet with people at a similar phase as them, or maybe more experience, lessons learned, networking, etc. Is that right?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, definitely. And we'll have a hands-on session where people can actually use the solution and see how it would benefit them in their business.
And this is an event that you guys run quite regularly. So what's some of the value that previous attendees have got from the event?
Yeah, of course. We've got some great feedback. One of them being a compliment on that it was well presented and informative, and they were quite surprised that it wasn't a sales pitch, it was more of a collaborative approach.
And if you look at some of the presenters that we've had in the previous events, so we had David Fern, who's one of the UK's top 50 thought leaders on big data. We had a chap called Rich Wilkins out of manufacturing, and he was looking at the focus of economic data and the influence of that on demand planning and order throughput, as well as margin analysis. And so this resonates with a number of people in different functions within the business, from finance to operations to sales.
So how often are you running these events?
They run 3 times a year. You need to register to come to the event. To be able to do that, go to our website, which is deeperthanblue.co.uk.
Yeah.
Go to the About Us section, and under there's a whole page on events. So you'll be able to see past events, see the summaries on them, and any future events, and that's where you're able to register.
Great, and it's free of charge to register, is that right?
It is, yeah.
And you can also find us on the social channels for Deeper Than Blue as well.
#BAF.
Yes.
#BAF.
See you there.
See you there.
See you
Hope
there.
to.